With the rise of Industry 4.0 in manufacturing and a wave of next-generation devices, now is the perfect time to step up from web-based applications and embrace modern productivity. At Infor, our native FactoryTrack application supports key ERP applications on today's industrial mobility devices, such as the rugged lineup of Zebra Technologies Android-based handhelds and tablets. With FactoryTrack and Zebra, you'll be able to unleash the power of advantages such as onboard cameras, RFID and NFC technologies, native gesture controls, integrated sensors, plus an entire suite of mobility tools in Zebra Mobility DNA. Infor FactoryTrack can also be extended to fit your specific vision in optimizing your manufacturing processes, adding more value to your operations, and empowering your entire organization. To learn more about Infor and Zebra, contact us today for a free demonstration.